So this is some feedback on just the first question about elasticities. These first questions were the ones that were kind of out of 10 marks. So, and they were expecting an explanation kind of style question with definitions, and the explanation of the concept, I suppose. So this in particular, kind of the things you're looking for generally was, well, if you're going to explain income elasticities, you needed to be able to explain like how it is calculated. So I was looking for these kind of ideas. So this idea was really good. Talking about the ideas of percentage change and the quantity demanded when there's a change in incomes. That kind of basic understanding of the concept was really important, and the use of terminology to explain that. And then most students did this sort of structure. So they went through and explained things like using examples like normal goods, necessities, and luxury goods. So people call them superior or luxury goods. So those kind of ideas was what I was looking for into this part. And then always an example. So when people come up with, well, so how would things change for different types of products? So this is kind of quite good down here. So down here it talks about inferior good could be McDonald's, and incomes increases, you might try, people go to Jamie's Italian, an explanation of how the demand might change for those two products. So because this was this is a contrast question, the expectation is that you covered both sides of the thing. So you talked about cross elasticity and this sort of depth, and then you went through and talked about the cross elasticity part and a similar kind of depth. And so kind of if we're covering these kind of characteristics, sort of a formula, an explanation with some sort of an example for both. For cross elasticities, so talking about the degree of substitute, so the relative strength was kind of a high point for that you need to look for. Weak on one side would sort of pull your marks down a wee bit.